presenting the Kia 2018 Stinger Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, full-time, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.